Good day! In this video, we are going to read number in words and writing them into numerals. Numerals means Hindu-Arabic numerals. There will be a few levels of this lesson so that you will master number in words, writing them into numerals. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Question number 1. Write in numerals. This is numeral 19. Number 2. Write in numerals. This is numeral 13. Number 3. Write in numerals. Numeral 15. Number 4. Write in numerals. Numeral 12. Number 5. Write in numerals. Numeral 10. Number 6. Write in numerals. Numeral 16. Number 7. Write in numerals. Numeral 20. Number 8. Write in numerals. Numeral 14. Number 9. Write in numerals. Numeral 17. Number 10. Write in numerals. Numeral 13. Number 11. Write in numerals. Numeral 15. Number 12. Write in numerals. Numeral 12. Number 13. Write in numerals. Numeral 10. Number 14. Write in numerals. Numeral 16. Number 15. Write in numerals. Numeral 18. Number 16. Write in numerals. This is numeral 14. 17. Write in numerals. Numeral 19. 18. Write in numerals. Numeral 18. 19. Write in numerals. Numeral 12. 20. Write in numerals. Numeral 17. 21. Write in numerals. Numeral 14. 22. Write in numerals. 17. 23. Write in numerals. 20. 24. Write in numerals. 15. Write in numerals. 18. Congratulations! This ends the lesson for the day. I hope this is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye. Hey, would you like your child to be assist in his or her mathematics skills? Then search and join our Facebook group. See you there.